Hi, this is Juliet, a young Orfiano. Welcome to my video. If this is your first time on my channel, please like, share, and subscribe so I can notify you if I have a new video. This is the continuation of part 19 about property, plant, and equipment. I discussed in part 19 about exploration for and evaluation of mineral resources. Just click above or the link below this video to watch part 19. In this video, I am going to tackle about expenditure after initial recognition. Expenditures after initial recognition. Expenditures subsequent to acquisition of property, plant, and equipment are treated as revenue expenditures or capital expenditures. In general, expenditures incurred to achieve greater future benefits should be capitalized, while expenditures that simply maintain a given level of performance should be expensed. Under the recognition principle for property, plant, and equipment, an entity does not recognize in the carrying amount of the asset the cost of the day-to-day servicing of the item. Rather, these costs are recognized in profit or loss as incurred. Costs of day-to-day servicing are primarily the cost of labor and consumables and may include the cost of small parts. IAS number 16, Property, Plant, and Equipment, paragraph number 12. Subsequent expenditures on property, plant, and equipment are only recognized as an asset when it is probable that future economic benefits associated with the item will flow to the enterprise and the expenditure significantly improves the condition of the asset beyond its originally assessed standard performance. Examples of improvements which result in increasing future economic benefits include: first, modification of an item or plant to extend its useful economic life, including increased capacity. Second, upgrade of machine parts to improve the quality of output. Third, adoption of a new production process leading to large reductions in operating cost. Thus, expenditures that would result to any of the following increase in economic benefits are capitalized. First, increase in the capacity of the asset. Second, extension of useful life. Third, improvement of the quality of the output. Fourth, increase in the asset's efficiency. Expenditures that result from accidents, neglect, intentional abuse, and theft are recognized as losses. Normal repairs and maintenance on property, plant, and equipment items merely maintain or restore value of the asset and do not improve or increase its value. Hence, such costs are recognized as an expense when incurred. In certain circumstances, an entity recognizes in the carrying amount of an item of property, plant, and equipment the cost of a replacement of a major part of the item. When such is a case, the entity then recognizes first the carrying amount of the replaced part, whether or not such part is depreciated separately. If it is not practicable for an entity to determine the carrying amount of the replaced part, it may use the cost of the replacement as an indication of what the cost of the replaced part was at the time it was acquired or constructed, based on Par 70 IAS number 16. To illustrate, assume that an item of factory equipment was purchased 4 years ago at a cost of 180,000 pesos. The asset has been depreciated using the straight line method over a period of 9 years. Due to an error in the operation of the asset, the engine malfunctioned and had been assessed to be beyond economic repair. The engine was replaced with a similar item that cost the company 60,000 pesos. Assuming that the company was able to determine the original cost of the replaced part to be 54,000 pesos, the following entries shall be made. Debit accumulated depreciation, 54,000 pesos over 9 times 4 years is 24,000 pesos. Debit loss from disposal of machine parts, 30,000 pesos. Credit factory equipment, 54,000 pesos to remove the carrying value of the replaced engine. Debit factory equipment, 60,000 pesos. Credit cash, 60,000 pesos to capitalize the cost of the replacement. Depreciation after the replacement shall then be computed based on the carrying value of the asset after posting the entries. Assuming that in the foregoing example, the cost of the replaced part is not separately identifiable, the entity prepares the following entries. Debit accumulated depreciation, 60,000 pesos over 9 times 4 years is 26,667 pesos. Debit loss from disposal of machine parts, 33,333 pesos. Credit factory equipment, 60,000 pesos to remove the carrying value of the replaced engine. Debit factory equipment, 60,000 pesos. Credit cash for 60,000 pesos to capitalize the cost of the replacement. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you learned something from this video. I did part 21 and continuation of this video wherein I discuss in part 21 about the measurement after initial recognition. Just click above or the link below this video to watch part 21. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe on my channel so I can notify you if I have a new video. Once again, this is Juliet Orfiano. See you on my next video.